Is your drain not draining as fast as it used to be? No problem. In this video, we're going to teach you how to clean it out. Let's get started. All right, while I get you guys set up so you can get a good angle on it. All right, cool. Now, this is not a bad little job to do. Only takes a couple tools. You're going to need a bucket or a Tupperware, because when you take this off and this nut off, it will drain. Now, if you can't twist it off with your hands, use a pair of channel locks. So, loosen this one up, loosen this one up. Yep, get a little dribble. Now you could do a couple different things. You could take this off, replace it. This is called a P-trap, by the way. All right. Now remember, you're going to have mess all down in these tubes. And you always want to check too. But, oh yeah, see, yuck. Now, how to get this off, there's another nut back here. This is the drain that goes into the wall. Now, don't lose these. When you go put it on, the taper goes this way. But oh yeah, she's pretty gunked up. Oh, let's see if I get you some light here. Maybe you could. Oh, yeah, she's pretty dirty. But what you want to do is get you a screwdriver or something that you can get in there and kind of clean all that junk out. And then that way, you know, same thing, clean all these, and then we'll put it back together. So let's get to it. Get you some paper towels. Now, all right, here. I don't know if you guys can see them. Let's get to it. Now, right in there's just a bunch of build-up grime and stuff. I want to clean all this out. Then you could take, this is your dishwasher. You could take this off, take this one off, this comes out. Same thing, just clean it up. And we're going to clean all these up. So I'll get back to you. All right, I'm back. I ended up taking the main line off. I was going to do it anyway. Cleaned all that out. I got all the other pieces cleaned. So now, just repeat the process backwards. Put it all back together. Now, I'm going to put the nut on first, and then your washer. one. Now, the main thing I would say is when you're reinstalling everything back, I would keep them loose. I wouldn't tighten them up. That way you could move them and, you know, put the pieces where they need to go, and so they're not binded, because it has to be, you know, straight. All right, now when you get to this point, just tighten them up. All right, and that's how you do it. Now, what I like to do is I like to come up to the sink and I personally like to fill the sink up. But I'll put the stopper in. I like to fill the sink up. We're going to let some water get in here, maybe about halfway. I'm going to clean up while it's filling, and then I'll get back when we do the drain to check for any leaks. All right, now we got the water where I like it. Pop the drain, let it drain, come down, check for leaks. I don't see nothing. I think we're pretty good on leaks. And that's it. No leaks. Drain's cleaned. Now you could always replace all this stuff. You don't have to clean it out. You can replace it. If you are leaking, check your fittings. Make sure they're tight. Sometimes when you take everything apart, them O-rings get crushed, and you know. But if they are leaking, you may have to run and pick up some new ones and just throw them in, but you should be okay doing that. And just let the water run out. Go from there. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. I got plenty more home stuff coming up. Thank you.